Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ama-player ayi-2 we-Orlando Pirates bafethu, Evidence Makgopa no Radio Pani, yes, bebaba-interviewa laphana. So bakhulume ngama-favorite players or ama-player aba-impressile kulama-player amasha, yabo. Evidence Makgopa bafethu uthe yena iplayer elimchazayo laphana ko-Orlando Pirates elisha uNdaba, yabo. Uthi bengapay much attention to uNdaba that time adlala ku-Richards Bay, but since adlala naye up close and personally uyabona ukuthi okay uNdaba iplayer ngempela eli-impressive kakhulu, and then umkompetisa nokumqhathanisa no Hotso, so i-energy ne-aggression yakhe izinto ezinjalo, yabo. So according to Evidence Makgopa uNdaba iplayer eli-important kakhulu and iplayer eli-impressile, kusho ukuthi uyabona nje uNdaba eba ne-good future ku-Orlando Pirates, yabo. And then-ke le iplayer elinye ku-Radio Pani uthi yena-ke iplayer eli-impresse kakhulu kulama player amasha bafethu uMasindi. Isibongo sakhe kunzima ukuthi ngisisho, ngihlezi ngisigeja, ngivele ngithi uMasindi lo bamsane ku-Marumo Gallants, udlala i-midfielder, u-creative kakhulu, is almost a number 10 if not a number 10, uya-assista, une-energy ngempela umjida, kuthiwa uyalazi ngempela ibhola. So nayo impresseke i-current striker se-Orlando Pirates ukuthi okay it's one of the good signings, njengoba Jima naye sembona eduze, uyabona ukuthi okay leli player li-good elinga-contribute ku-Orlando Pirates, yabo. So ama-player amasha ku-Orlando Pirates basayina ama-player good ngempela, bayabonisa ukuthi they wanna go all out and compete for honors, especially Betway Premiership, they wanna go all out. So lama-player amasha ngempela kumele adapte fast ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi uzokwazi ukubeka i-Orlando Pirates ku-better position yokuthi bakompithele for i-league, yabo. As much as bababalo boMasindi, yabo Ndaba, but-ke kunama-players agood amanye asayinwe i-Orlando Pirates, kufana Sipho Mbuli siyazi ukuthi uye bafethu laphana ugeneral waku-midfielder, khona abo-Apolis-ke one of the best South African wingers or just players in general in recent seasons bafethu. And then ikhona uMuremi lo buya kuMaZulu, washaya elinye igoli, adrebula i-defense e-Orlando Pirates, ayihlanganisa abayisa le nale nale. Maybe that moment, one of those games, babona ukuthi okay this could potentially be the player esingaliletha laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, like enough bakwazile ukumthola. Bakhona-ke nabanye babasayinile bafethu. So overall basayina ama-player, uyabona na ukuthi bafuna ukumake sure ukuthi isquad sabo si-super strong, i-talent elikhona but ne-hard work at the same time ikhona, because they need to be hard workers. Talent would be secondary, you have to be talented, but if you don't work hard then you won't win games and you won't get good results. So Orlando Pirates bamixe i-talent, aboSipho Mbuli, abonduli, but-ke mawubheka i-hard work futhi nakhona kulama player abawasayinile ikhona, yabo. So let's wait and see for the exciting season bafethu, zizobuya. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike, but into ebaluleke kakhulu bafethu ukusubscribe, and press lo subscribe button. Thank you bafethu.